According to a formal definition, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's products, and if people buy through your affiliate link, you will make a commission. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com, where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will talk about the parties involved in affiliate marketing. My aim is to post videos in an easy to understand language so anyone who watches them gets a clear idea and understands what the content is about. So let's get started. And before I talk about the parties involved, I would like to talk about the process of affiliate marketing. Okay? Let's understand the process depicted in this image. The vendor has a product. The product is promoted by an affiliate to his audience, and when somebody from the large audience purchases the product, the affiliate marketer gets a commission. Alright, let's understand the process with the help of a simple example. Let's say Adam has a product that he wants to sell. Let's say he's selling shoes, and the cost of the shoes is rupees 2000. Adam promises that he will pay a commission of 40% for each affiliate sale. Okay. Now, Tom, an affiliate marketer, gets the affiliate link and promotes the shoes to his audience. Okay. Of his audience, suppose 5 people purchase the shoes. Since the commission rate is 40% and the cost of shoes is 2000, Tom will make a total of 5 into 40% of 2000, that is 5 into 800, that is rupees 4000. Are you with me until now? I hope you are understanding the process of affiliate marketing. I hope the process of affiliate marketing is clear. Now, I would like to talk about the parties involved in affiliate marketing. As you can see in the image, the first party is the vendor. A vendor can be an individual or an organization that creates products. The product can be a physical product like shoes, t-shirts, books, smartphones, television, and so on. Or the product can be a digital product like software, business tools, online courses, any service, ebooks, and so on. The vendor is the owner or creator of the product, and they decide the commission to pay for affiliate marketers. The commission can be 5%, 10%, 20%, or even more. As per my experience, if you promote digital products, you can get a commission of up to 90%. Now, let's jump to the second party involved in affiliate marketing. The second party involved in affiliate marketing is the affiliate marketer or the publisher. The affiliate marketer is the one who promotes the product or products to his or her audience, and if people buy, he or she gets a commission. If you are an affiliate marketer, you can promote products on your blogs, you can record a video and post on YouTube, or you can promote the products through email marketing. You can also promote products on social media. Okay? So until now, we have seen two parties involved in affiliate marketing, the vendor and the affiliate marketer or the publisher. Now let's jump to the third party, the consumer. The consumer or ideal customers are the ones who buy and use the product or products. Consumers buy the products that affiliate marketers promote, and without them, affiliate marketers cannot earn a single penny. They are what I call the soul of affiliate marketing. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to promote products in a way that convinces people to buy. It is to be noted that you cannot sell different types of products to the same audience. For example, if you are promoting yoga mats, the target audience will be different than that of, let's say, travel bags, isn't it? So, to summarize, affiliate marketing includes 3 crucial parties. The vendor who creates and owns the product. The second party is the affiliate marketer who promotes products and gets a commission for each sale. And lastly, the consumers who are the end users of the products. Sometimes there is an additional fourth party involved called the affiliate network. Affiliate network is the marketplace where affiliate marketers find products that the companies are selling. On affiliate networks, you can find hundreds of products to promote. The role of an affiliate network is to track your performance and keep track of your commissions and sales. A few examples of affiliate networks are ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, CG or Commission Junction, Amazon Associates, and so on. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Additionally, if you want to attend my webinar on affiliate marketing, please click the link below this video and reserve your seat. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.